My bike's down. I think I blew the freewheel out, honestly, because yeah. So I think I blew my bike up right before last night's ride out too, so I didn't get to fucking ride. I just had to hop on the dirt bike, but yeah, I'm about to go get that fixed today. Probably pull up at the shop, see what's good. Out Northeast Cyclery. They're always holding it down, but yeah, blew out my freewheel. I don't know, I don't know if anybody else has ever done that on theirs yet. But yeah, I'm gonna put another one on there, honestly, and get back out there. Come back stronger than ever, harder than ever. It's like a fucking blown up bike, so. But I love these bikes. Shout out SC. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys. Yeah, my bike's down right now, guys. I blew it up the other night, so I didn't get to ride on last night's ride out. I was pretty bummed on that. I don't know, I just went to go ride off and then it started free spinning forward and I almost broke my ankle because my foot went straight to the ground as I was in mid pedal. So yeah, like it'll grab, but then it slips. See, like that, it slipped. I think just the bearings are wrecked in here, but yeah, I've never seen anybody else have trouble with their SC bike. Honestly, I fuck with the SC bikes. I love SC bikes, but not a big deal. I'm gonna get a new freewheel today. Shout out Northeast Cyclery. They're about to, set me up, make sure it get me right. Hopefully we'll get back up and running, back in commission, so I can get out there. Yeah, but I've never seen anybody else have any issues with their SC bike, honestly. And this thing's a beast. I love my big flyer. I really want a fat ripper though. That 2018 was so sick. The new 2019s look pretty wild, but
yeah, I got my bike back finally, guys. So we're back at it again with the light bends. Yes, sir. Excuse me. So we're finally at 100 subs. Did you guys know? So you know what that means. Special event time, mystery box time, guys. I'm about to let you guys know what the rules are, how to get in. You already kind of got a foot in the door because you're at 100 subs now, so yeah. But yeah, I'll be posting the contest rules here shortly. Let you guys know what you guys are all bidding for. My new brake too. Shouts out Madura. This brake is insanely good. Seriously. Might be going to Cali at the end of the month. Link up with some homies, get some ride outs going. 413 Subway was just going down over there last night. Yeah, check that out. Look at that chain. That shit's hella sick. Yo, look at that chain though. That's unique as fuck. Yeah, I'll see rocking a chain like that, bro. The hottest big flyer out. Ain't even any of the new ones either. Gang, gang. Shout out to Northeast Cyclery. They're always holding me down on my bike. Always getting me right. My shit goes down. No. Thank you. She said, "Is that Shane?" Not Shane. Yeah, I can't wait to do this event for you guys. It's gonna be lit. A lot of dope prizes and shit. Pre-orders are all over the place, bro. If you haven't pre-ordered yet, I don't know what you're doing. Like, I do not know what you're doing. like your hair. Thank you. Said I like your hair. She says I like your bike. Dude, people love SE out here. Act like they never seen no shit like this. Bringing it to their attention. Spreading the message. Spreading awareness. Bringing smiles to the faces. Oh, no hand right now. No. Hola.
Okay, my skate high, scuffed and bloody. Thug discussion, dusting off me, donkeys, you ain't fucking, you just bluffing. Okay, high, scuffed and bloody. Thuggin', no discussion, dusting off my dirty donkeys, you ain't fucking, you just bluffing. Okay, high, scuffed and bloody. Thug discussion, dusting off me, donkeys, you ain't buckets, bluffing. I can't stand these niggas. I can't stand who tips it takers and they getting more zombie mode, my whole mental. Do we smell like?
Shout out Ace Barbershop. You guys didn't see that pic they got of me? Shit's hard. Thank you, I appreciate it. Have a good day. That's what it's about, bro. I love that shit. What's up?
Have you seen either of them today?
Any who?
Either of them.
Who?
The girl guy was with yesterday.
No.
All green, frozen, and black and wearing a hat.
No, not that I remember. I'm trying to remember, not that I remember
Yeah,
that.
you know what I'm talking about, right?
No. No worries, bro. No, I don't recognize.
Do you know where 7-Eleven is?
It's on the next street over. If you just go across this corner, right when you get to that street light, just walk the corner right, and it's right there on that corner. You're just one street over. Yeah, no worries. Have a good day, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's what I'm saying, bro. People love SC out here. They just don't know yet. That's what I'm saying. But it's crazy, bro. In like 2 minutes, bro, and these guys are on the job. What's up? I don't even have my wallet. Sorry.
High, scuffed and bloody. Thug discussion, dusting off the donkeys, you ain't bucking, you just bluffing.
This is a certified hood classic.
Yeah. Band-aid, don't get your head sprayed. Yeah. Okay, my skate high, scuffed and bloody.